Hello everyone. So yes, it is Wednesday, and we've had a bit of progress and a bit of an update really. Talking to Tony. Oh crikey, forgotten his second name. He comments a couple of times. Tony W something. Anyway, messaged him, spoke to him about the wiring. He's managed to send all the pictures of his wiring on his car, which has made me able to connect it up on mine. So yeah, we've got all the wiring connected up now, so I'll just flip it around and show you that. So we've got the new coil plugged in, got all the fuse board plugged in, got the wiper motor plugged in, starter motor plugged in. It's just this wire that goes on the side, he said, but I don't have a thing for it. Unless you can, no, there's nothing on there. Got that done. Need to do the distributor. Got the belt ready to put on for the alternator. Got it all connected up in here as well. So it's all looking good at the moment. Just charging the battery, an old one, see if I can just turn it over. So that'll be good. Yeah, so massive thank you to him. Thank you to a family friend called Jilly. Donated £20 to the mini pickup fund. Another massive thank you to Daniel Coates. Coates, I think it is. He donated £20 as well to the mini pickup fund, and he's donated £40 towards the car. He's also got a YouTube channel which I'll put in the description, so if you wouldn't mind checking him out and check that out. So massive thank you to you two. I'll do a video of what I've bought with the money soon when I purchase the next things I need. But that's going to be perfect. That will just make me that extra step towards finishing it. So yeah, it's just a short one showing you what's happening, what's going on. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please check out the last video, which was talking about the mini pickup, which will explain more. Please check it out in the description and follow the story as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. So please like and subscribe for more, and yeah, see you later. Cheers.